Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. What I'm looking at right here is beautiful. If you watched the last video about 2 weeks ago, you would have seen us down here on the XRP price chart right before we broke out of this channel. I think it was somewhere right around here where I made the video. And I basically said, hey, we're gonna break out, we're gonna go to around 70 cents, reconsolidate, which is exactly what happened right here. And then take off to higher levels, and from there it's crazy how fast this happened. But hey, we're all the way up here now. I think we topped out at what, $1.63. So right now it's stuck up inside this fib range here. You can see it's back testing the 1618 level right now. If we sustain this level here, then we get another push up to the 4236 in this fib range, which is right about $2.11. Actually, the big thing with that is that on the much larger fib scale, you can see that that level coincides with this, which is the 618 level of the total fib range. Getting back to this level is key, and it's kind of needed here within this move. I think there's honestly no chance that we don't get back to this level at around $2.11. Now, when we reach there, we may see reconsolidation happen because that is a major level. And right around there, you would expect people to start freaking out, selling, FOMOing, all of the above. Things are going to be really, really hype when we get to $2. But we're not quite there yet, and we're making our way there right now. Now, if we don't sustain this level and we start to pull back, you can expect that we're going to drop back somewhere around here to around $1.19-ish, $1.18-ish, where there's major support. That's also the 786 of this current breakout. So that's what I'm kind of looking for. We have two scenarios: one, pullback and then we go, or we just start climbing up here back to around this level, around $2.11. So that's kind of the short update for now. Another thing I really wanted to quickly touch on is the fact that Bitcoin here, I've been basically seeing a lot of analysts say, hey, this is the top for Bitcoin. This is where it starts to slow down and distribute. I will say that this does not look like distribution yet, Wyckoff distribution. You would normally see something kind of like this, right, if we're getting distribution. So we'll have to see if we can reach up here to 100,000 plus. The 2618 is at $112,000. So if we do see Bitcoin hitting $112,000, that would be extremely bullish for all of crypto. But I guess for the alts, honestly, it would be better if this is the top. But we're just gonna have to wait and see. I think it pushed past the 1618, so it's already in a predetermined target to the 2618. So I do think that Bitcoin has a little bit more to run here. But basically, on the XRP side of things, it's looking good. It's looking strong. We got a lot of bullish news coming recently with Gary Gensler resigning, which is huge. If you're like me and you've been buying down since like 16 cents, you've been in this thing for years and years and years now, just waiting and kind of telling people calling you crazy, people not believing in the vision, then you are very excited right now. And hopefully we can blow past this range here at $2.11. That really starts taking us up over all-time highs, and that's what we're looking for. Let me just quickly now at the end of the video go over some of my top targets. And obviously I'm going to be updating these videos as we go and as the price moves and evolves over time. But what I'm expecting is a consolidation right around here. Then we break to the 1618. That's around $5.40. Another consolidation. And now there's two options there. We either pull back to the 786 around 260, something like that, or we just move up into the fib range. And these higher fib targets, you can see them right here. We have respectively $8.50, $11.79, and then somewhere up around the top between $14 and $15 is what I'm looking for this cycle. Now, just remember that even in previous cycles where things have been extremely bullish, it does blow right through its range and continue higher, but that's not something we can speculate on until we get up to those prices. This is kind of all the chart data that we have available right now, besides previous bull run percentages. And we can go over those percentages in another video, but right now I just kind of show you where we're headed, what it's looking like, and that's about it, honestly. So if you guys enjoyed the video, make sure you subscribe to the channel, leave a like, and put on that notification bell, because that's really how you're gonna get these updates. I'm kind of been updating sporadically as we go. I'm trying to get a real schedule working here soon, but for now, just as the price updates, you're moving fast. I'm helping a lot of people behind the scenes. I'm currently teaching classes on trading, which I may eventually move over to the channel here. If you do want a class on trading, let me know. You can always leave that down below in the comments, and maybe I'll get some stuff going over here on the channel. But that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys next time.